It is currently, I actually have no idea what time it is. It's like 7:40-ish. I don't know. But my mom had a doctor's appointment, and she was supposed to take my grandpa. Well, my grandpa takes her because he drives, but she was supposed to go with my grandpa all the way downtown for more oxygen tanks, but she couldn't come, so I'm going with him. And you are gonna get to spend the day with me. Okay, I didn't mention this, but I'm actually gonna do a time lapse of me doing my makeup because I don't really have much to talk about right now, other than like maybe my sister's birthday party yesterday, but even then, like, nothing really happened. We came to Target because my grandpa loves Target. I've had 3 coffees and I feel like I'm about to knock out. I'm tired and I've had 3 coffees, caffeinated drinks, you know. I forget coffee makes me sleepy, that's my bad. But yeah, nothing. Dude, so I went with my grandfather, right? I was with him like basically all morning. My mom went to Target and I left with her. And I was like, oh my god, mom, like I left my makeup and all my skincare stuff at my grandpa's. My mom was like, oh, don't worry about it, we're gonna head over there anyways. And I'm like, why? And she's like, we need to go take the oxygen tanks off your grandpa's truck. So we go, my sister wants McDonald's, we get off, she eats there, I don't eat McDonald's. So they get McDonald's, and then my grandpa wants McDonald's, so we get McDonald's, we take McDonald's to my grandpa. I get off, I forget about it. We're just messing around. My sister's playing chess with checkers. Both. I don't know what they were playing. I think she was playing checkers with my mom and she beat my mom like 3 times. And then I get up and I'm like, oh my god, my makeup bag. I can't forget my makeup bag. I sit back down like seconds later. I forgot my bag. I tell myself, don't forget it. And then I forget it. I called my dad and thank you, Jesus. My dad's gonna go get my makeup bag. Thank God. Thank God. It is 6:18. Alexa, what time is it? It's 6:18. My bed is made, kinda. It's kind of a little bit of a mess. And my room's a mess. So I don't think I'm gonna record the process of it. Video idea for another day. clean with me. Yeah, no, you're not gonna clean with me. I'm gonna clean without me. And yeah, I need to do that. And then after that, I'm gonna go over this like book thing that I need to go over for a meeting tomorrow morning. Anyway, yeah, and then I always hold my phone so close to my face. And then besides that, I need to edit a video because I need to post one on Sunday. I wanted to do Sundays, and then last week I did Monday. This week, technically, the week's not over. I might do Sunday if I get it done. I'm so bad at getting things done, guys. Can you tell? I didn't post a video 2 weeks in a row. Technically, my part was done because my brother edits these too. Like, I cut them, he edits. It was his fault. Okay, so makeup's a mess. It's like almost gone. Foundation is probably gone. Mascara's almost gone. But I did clean my room. I didn't start till 7. And it only took me like 30 minutes to actually clean it, and then like 30 minutes to organize my desk and my makeup and everything. But yeah, that's like pretty much it. It's 8 now, 8 something. I don't know exactly what, but room's clean. I did it. Took me like an extra hour to actually get out. I went on TikTok and I started scrolling and I got distracted, and it's like, yeah, my phone died. That's what got me up. So, okay, so bed is made. That up there isn't even a mess. Oh, I put my skincare and deodorant stuff away. That stays like that. Look at what I won. I won both of them and another toothless. And then my desk. Yay! Everybody clap. Clap, clap. Clap, everybody. My vitamins and stuff. My bag. My school bag. My notebook. My journal. Okay. My school bag. My journal. My scrapbook. And my very important folder. Not folder, binder. And then those are my, what are they called? Vinyls. Well, I didn't touch that shelf at all, actually. But that one was already like that. I didn't touch it either. My closet's like, oh my god, look at what I got at freaking Office Depot. Well, I didn't get it. My aunt got it for me. But it's a little shark bag. Isn't it so cute? This is my bag from now on. So, yeah. I'm cooler than you. I need this pink pen. Actually, my pink erasable pen. My glasses. Sticky notes. And little sticky tabs. I'll take both of them just in case. Actually. I'm gonna put Harry Potter on the TV because I feel like it. And music's too distracting, and I actually don't get distracted if I've watched the movie a couple hundred times. So we're gonna study with let me see. Harry Potter in the background, yes. Also, I think that's it. I finished editing a video. Thank God. Thank God. I didn't think I was gonna do it. I almost quit. I almost didn't do it. I was just gonna go straight to bed. But I did it! I did it. Okay. It's like 6 minutes long though. And it's kind of boring. I don't have other content to post this Sunday. She's going up. Boring or not. At least it's something. At least I'm gonna be consistent. And then there's 2 other videos that I need to edit, but I'm not gonna edit those today. Other than that, I'm done. I edited. I studied my pamphlet, that's fucking binder. That is not a pamphlet. I studied my binder. And I have Harry Potter blasting in the background. I need to go to bed. That's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna kick my sisters out and go to bed. It's 11:11. Makeup is off. Pajamas are on. Piercings are cleaned. Skincare is done. Sisters are out. And it is time for bed. So yeah, that was my day. Hope you enjoyed it. Nothing much really going on, but yeah, this was kind of fun to do. I kind of like recording random moments. Maybe I'll do it again one day. Thank you for watching. Bye.